I'm Kelsey Gerber. I work with Clark Construction and I'm a project engineer.
I'm Jack Moyer and I'm the project executive on the project and senior associate at the firm of Shalom Baranis Associates here in Georgetown.
My name is Jason Seufer. I'm a staff architect at Shalom Baranis Associates Architects, and I'm one of 4 project architects on the City Center DC project. We started using Revu, a team of 10 of us started just immediately as this site broke ground in April of 2011.
We're primarily using Bluebeam on the project for submittals and RFIs. It looked like it was something that was worthwhile for us to get involved in and begin to see what we can do to use it on this project.
We're able to use Revu to take snapshots of our construction documents to point out certain facts or supporting arguments for the response to the RFIs.
We use Bluebeam so that way, like for example here, we're questioning where we should locate the outlet above our kitchen cabinets. And so we just simply bubble the area that we're talking about, write the RFI number here, and what's really cool about Bluebeam is we can hyperlink it back to our Autodesk Constructware system that we use.
Just in the grand scheme of any type of electronic construction administrative process, is that the days of triplicate hand marking, the red lines, that's over. But the benefits in doing it in Revu is the ease in which anyone who came on board to the project was able to pick it up. I thought the first 10 of us would need to have a couple training sessions or lessons learned, which that is helpful, but we certainly didn't need massive training the way we do when we launch a new BIM software or anything like that. One of my favorite tools in Revu is the fact that you can paste to exact the same coordinates. So if I'm transferring just a little bit of a copy here, and then but I need to paste it in the exact same spot on a different sheet, the Control Shift V is one of my favorite tools. As it is such a large site, in order to make sure that we inspect visually for conformance every square inch of a 250,000 square foot floor plate, that's not all going to be done in one day. So even just as simple as not having to carry around a big billboard with a printed plan and a highlighter and say, okay, I colored in this area and I did that. Well, I'm able to do that with a very easy rectangle tool and set my highlighting and set my standard or my default settings. We all really grew to know the tools that were available to us within Revu to mark up and really do everything we needed to do to make clarifications and mark up the submittals and return them if they weren't just the way we needed them. The benefits in doing it in Revu was the ease in which anyone who came on board to the project was able to pick it up.
Using the Revu, it was tremendous. We have now adapted it pretty much firm-wide for at least for that part of Bluebeam for most of our construction phase projects.
One of the other things that when we're changing documents and we're up against the wire and deadline time, and I have got to bust out of the office and pick up my son, but the owner needs this before I can leave. I specifically recall being able to make a markup on one page, knowing that it needed to be on all pages, and right-clicking that markup and saying apply to all pages, and boom, it's in that exact same spot on all the pages throughout the document. It's brilliant. It's absolutely a time saver.